This is Michael Ballard with the Historic Highway 99 Association of California, bringing you a little bit of US 99 history in Los Angeles, California, where overlay fell off, revealing a US 99 shield at the 134 interchange heading eastbound. More than likely, underneath the overlay to the left, which still says 5 South Golden State, cut off Golden State Freeway, likely was a State Route 134 shield, as at the time this freeway terminated at the 5, and 134 continued south along the 5/US 99 to Colorado Street, where it proceeded east. It didn't extend east. The freeway did not extend east from here until the early 1970s. The sign itself dates to 1961. A little bit of US 99 history. Los Angeles, California.